This is the continuation of a job, an extension for a kitchen. It was an outdoor kitchen, but it's been built like a proper extension now. And I started it a while back. I've done some of the work already, but what you're going to see now is where I'm installing some sockets on the wall, low down. Some sockets on the wall, running conduit and all that, chasing to put the boxes in. So that's what you're going to see. Nice one. Thanks for watching. Right, here I've got to install a couple of sockets at high level on that wall and one low level socket there. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to get the supply to supply them, because the fuse board is way down there near the front door, and there's no easy route to get cables round. You can't lift up floorboards and stuff like that, and it's occupied place. Just a nightmare job, really, to be honest. And that's the other side of the kitchen, and for that side of the kitchen I picked up from the circuit on those points there, and in this bedroom they're on a different circuit, so I picked up from this bedroom to feed that side of the kitchen that you just saw. Now over this side there's some sockets going on that wall. I've got to find somewhere to pick that up from as well, pick up a supply for there. So I'm still trying to find a supply for them high level sockets and the one at low level. There's a socket I was thinking I can pick up from there, but when I did do the test I couldn't pick up from there because the place wasn't really wired that well. That socket is on with these ones here in this kitchen. Now this is a new kitchen, but it was an extension. This is the original kitchen, that what we just passed through, and here is the fuse board right near the front door. It says upstairs sockets, and I've done some work here before. From what I remember now, upstairs and some of downstairs are on one circuit. Yeah, right. So this says power down, but I think that's an old marking. I ran a radial circuit in for some work in the kitchen. So that's the circuit. It says power up upstairs, but it's upstairs and downstairs. That's the circuit I'm going to have to try and pick up from to extend. So I'm going to have to check it out, see how it's wired, and then see the best way to pick up from it. But it's all over the place. This house, the circuit's all over the place. But anyway, let's see how it goes. These people say they had electricians do this work, but a lot of the time I reckon these people do this work themselves. I mean, I was going to try and pick up from there because it's just the other side, could just drill through, but it seems like it's wide in the ring, but obviously that's a spur from somewhere. Where's that coming from, I don't know. So I can't pick up from there, so I'm going to have to look elsewhere. Right, there's a socket in the front room, just the other side of that wall, which I was thinking maybe I could drill through. I just took it off, but it's the same thing, some DIY, and something's already spurred from it. Don't know whether it's that one that's spurred from it, that one over there that's spurred from it. I'll have to see. So if that turns out to be part of the ring, then I could manipulate it and leave that spur in. I can still manipulate it to come out into here. Right, hopefully. But thing is, I'm going to forgot my Mega today. Because I have to unload everything at night because there was thieving people around my way, nicking your tool, breaking in your van. So, and I knew, I said, oh, right, I've got to bring my tester today, make sure, and I just came out and forgot the tester. So I'm just doing it with my continuity for the minute. Right, now this is a socket that's on the other side of the wall where that low level socket, the new one that's going in, that's in the new kitchen, where I've got to put two at eye level and one at low level. This is directly behind the one at low level. There's a sliding door where you see that curtain. There's a sliding door there. Once you go through there, the new socket's just around the corner. So I'm testing this circuit here to make sure it's a ring so I can pick up from it. Well, even if it's not a ring, if it's a radio circuit, you can still pick up from it. Just got to be careful because you have to extend, because your spur, that one of them is a spur, because you've got 3 sets of cables, 2 should form a ring and 1 should be a spur. And I think the 2 at low level did form a ring. So I use my voltage setter to check it and make sure it does. That's the part of the circuit, radial or ring, and I could extend one of those legs to the other side. But after putting a good test on it with my multifunction tester as well, make sure it's all okay to extend. Yeah, so these new ones that you've marked there, they're the same height, they're same distance from here to the top, yeah? All the way around, yeah? So what we can do now, what I'm going to start with is chasing these boxes in, and then obviously we're going to have to chase in between for the conduit run, yeah? Yeah. Okay, let's set this up, and I'll leave you to get on with that a bit, yeah? Cool. Okay, what I would do, right, just for the start, I cut the plaster away first. Right? So let's cut the content, like what I do, I push it in first, and then it just works. And then just take that out, and then we can start doing the drilling. How's it going? All right?
Yeah, it's like straight away. It's like I have to chip on it.
Oh, let's have a look. Yeah, the way when I done it, it came out quite easy. But you know what? I bet you that's where they've dabbed it. I bet you this is where they've put the dab on. Yeah. You know, the glue, and that's why that's not. Because when I cut that one, it just came out easy. Mm-hmm. But that's probably where they put the glue. Yeah. That's why it's not coming out so easy. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's set the drill up. You used one of these drills before. Well, look, when you're drilling in metal work or through wood, you just want it ordinary. You put it on, turn that round to there, yeah? Yeah. If you want it to hammer it, if you're drilling into a wall, you put it on there. Yeah. If you're chasing a wall, press this red thing in, turn it that way, and you just, right. Just, with this breeze block, it's really soft, so just take it easy. Okay. You don't need to push it because this is hammering. This is all you do is just keep a little pressure on it. Yeah. I've got this thing, this tool that when you cut in a single box, you just put it on there and it cuts into the wall. But because I'm always drilling brick walls, it's not. I don't find it that great. But with breeze blocks like this, so easy. I've used it on. I haven't got it on the van. I took it off the van. But just take it nice and easy. You got the box to just keep checking the depth, yeah? Yeah. So, like I said, just take it easy. If you've got a problem, just give me a shout. You may have gone a bit too deep. Yeah. start cutting the plasterboard out. Yeah, yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, that'd be good. Just take it easy. Just go down the line. Right, yeah, just take it nice and easy. It's a bit, you got to get used to it because it can send you offline, you know? Oh, no worries. That's obviously not going to come out as easy as we thought. We'll try the next one. Yeah? Yeah, that's all good, that's good. So when you're doing this, yeah? So what you want to do is, because you just want to be careful, you don't go through into the void, yeah?
Okay.
Right. That chisel here for me. What we want to do, okay. Oh, now that's there. I don't get it though, I don't understand. If you've got a level, we've leveled it all the way along, yeah? So, what I think we'll do, because I don't get why it's going,
Yeah, that's why my measurement was different from the top.
I don't, so what, alright. So this line that we've done, we've leveled it so we know it's level, yeah? So we'll take measurements from that line to the distance below.
Okay.
I don't get it. Why? It's crazy. But anyway, go on, finish that off. Alright, let's have a look. So it's got to go a bit deeper. Yeah?
Yep.
So, that's all good. Because what I plan to do is start off, get this one in, and then do it along and level it up that way. That way you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to do a big, long chase and then we have to be... So, right, so what we need to do is, I tell you what, got that? Yeah. Use this. Now use this, yeah? Right. Okay, so pass me the drill, please. So what I want to do now is, you see from that line there, the top line,
Yeah.
measure down 20 mil and put a mark, because that's what we want to. So make it 25 mil.
Okay.
Right. So what we'll do, we'll take our datum from there. So. Yeah. I hope this wood. Oh, take that. This wood is there. This wood is all right. Oh, I have the woods. But, yeah, let's go. Wait. Take this. Right, okay, so 25 mil is, here is 25 here. Right, that's 25. Right, okay. Let's level that line. Put it on that, put that on there. Put the level on it, let's see what it says. Yeah. We've got that line there. Yeah. Okay. Hold that there. Let's do this. Yeah. But I don't think that's going to work out because it's going to bring that higher. But, okay, let me just see something. So we've got a datum line. So we know this line here is level.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know that. So from that line to the top of my box is 40 mil. So that should be there. Because what it is, the floor's not level and that's not level.
Yeah.
Yeah, the floor's not level and that's not level.
So what you want to do?
No, what we're going to do, you do the thing. Come along these two lines. Yeah. Because this here is level, okay? And this line is level. So we'll work from this line. We'll take everything from this line.
Yeah.
The top of the box to the, yeah?
Okay.
So you go on with that. Tell you what, you see this, with this line, go a little bit lower, so make it a little bit, we don't want it dead. No, just do it, if we need to widen it, just go along with it, yeah? Tell you, modern boxes are really rubbish. when you used to get them back in the day, they were really strong. These are just flimsy rubbish. And it's still made by the same people. Appleby, that's a common, back in the day, that was the name that you always had, Appleby. But if I was to show you, I wonder if I've got one at home. the quality of the box from them days to now, you'd see what I mean.
It's been cheaper.
Terrible. Just putting this on temporary. Right, so that's there, that's there. Okay, so we need to, right, okay. You ever done any plastic contract before?
Yeah.
Oh, you have, so you know about gluing it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Gonna do something a bit better tomorrow, just all the indents for now, so I know. This one, yeah, this is gonna be jointed. I think what I'll do.
Chapman, how come you only done it halfway?
Sorry?
How come you only done it halfway?
Because I don't know what's gonna happen when I drill through.
Okay.
So I can always take that out and make it longer, or just bring, because what I'm thinking, reason why I've done this, if I can do it all the way,
Yeah.
then I'll just use single cables,
Yeah.
right? And then the first two legs will be twin and earth, because it's got to come through the wall and like that.
Yeah.
So I just pull singles through, make it nice and easy. And if you ever have to rewire, it's all very sweet. Takes more time. I give myself more hassle, but you know, I just like to do something that I think is good, you know? I think it's right. That's all. So that's glued for tomorrow. I ain't gonna glue this yet because I'm not sure of what I'm gonna do here.